Today I'm going to be trying iconic Sabrina Carpenter's makeup look using drugstore products. I'm really excited. Let's get started. The first step is going to be a moisturizer, and then we're going to go in with the concealer. It's time to blend. Next step is going to be foundation, and I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the shade 128 Nude. Now it's time to blend all the foundation. This shade is definitely lighter to my skin tone. I need to be buying the next shade, which is the 220 Natural Beige or something. Next step is going to be contouring, and I'm using the LA Colors Highlight and Contour Palette. And also right now I don't really have my contour brush. I don't know where it went. So I'm literally using my concealer brush. And I am sure this should be working fine. Let's quickly contour my nose as well. And I'm blending the contour of my nose with my fingers. Next step is blush, and the placement is really important here because it comes up to from your cheekbones to the apple and then to your nose. Eyeshadow time, and I'm using my Makeup Revolution Digital Studio Related palette. Firstly, I'm using a medium brown eyeshadow in my crease area and blending it nicely, and then I'm using a dark brown eyeshadow on my outer corners, and then I'm applying a glitter shadow on my eyelids. I'm done with my other eye, and also in the video they have not really used any setting powder, but I cannot really do that, so we're gonna set my under eyes and then quickly be back. Okay, so for the next step, I'm gonna be doing a winged eyeliner. It's not mentioned in the video, but I'm going to be using the Faces Canada Magnet Eyes eyeliner. It's so risky to be recording when you're doing your eyeliner. Finishing off my eyes with the Maybelline Hyper Curl Mascara. People be like, where have you got your trust issues from? And I'll be like, from my mascara ones, because this is what it can do and it's really ridiculous. I'm using the Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter in the shade Molten Gold to highlight my face, and also this look is almost all about highlighting your entire cheeks, so I'm applying the highlighter generously all over my cheekbones, and then I'm applying the highlighter on the tip of my nose. It's my favorite part of the entire look, and then on the bridge of my nose. Quickly done with my eyebrows. The next step is to do your lip liner. Let's go. Done with my lip liner and my lipstick. Now I'm gonna just wait for this to dry real quick, and then we're gonna do a gloss. Alright, now it's time to use the Sugar Timeless lip gloss in the shade Velma Pink Clay. To finish everything up, I'm going to be using the Inside Cosmetics Fixing Spray. Oh shit, the spraying thing was turned to the other side. So this is how the iconic Sabrina Carpenter's makeup look looks on me. It does look good, but it looks nowhere similar to her. I had to use a brown lipstick, but I have used a pink lipstick and it's not giving at all. I am personally dissatisfied. Do let me know what you guys think in the comment section.